He playing.
They told, yeah, man, shit.
Yeah,
We were talking about that, him and Steve Young.
yeah.
We were talking about them just a minute.
Shoot,
Steve
yeah,
Young
I
and Jerry
wasn't
Rice was
joking.
a fool. Shit,
You
back in the
couldn't beat.
day,
I'm talking about give me 3rd and 3.
shh, gone.
Oh, him and Montana got that.
That's what I'm talking about. See, throw
Him and
that
Montana
shit.
got
I'm a
that.
cowboy, but hey, I know my football. Do you hear me? And that's
But
what it's about.
them dudes had chemistry, man.
Yeah, you got to, man. Know where they
He
going.
had hookup.
Know
He had
your
hookup.
player, for they won't have to. Oh, wait till they get up here now.
Yeah,
They gonna
hook
run
up.
their routes, and that's what you supposed to do. Run your routes. Dang.
And they get it damn near every time.
Every time.
Shit. They get it damn near every time.
That's why I'm like, man, I hope this year, man, everybody just come on and do their job. Oh, it's going down for them boys. You did. Let's go, Cowboys.
Dak gonna have to improve, man. I tell you.
Dak gonna have to do a lot.
No, he the starting quarterback. He got to improve.
Shit, he gonna have to do a lot, cause man, he gonna make me have to come out there.
Dak,
Can't vote. What's wrong?
Dak blessed. Dak blessed.
Yes, he is.
Dak blessed,
He
man.
blessed, cause I would have been in fire today.
He blessed. I'm a 7th-round pick. I got a 10. He done got paid.
Yeah, I know. That's why now I'm gonna get it out your ass.
Jerry Jones thought
he
he feel like he found a diamond in the rough. That's why he thinking he gonna win a Super Bowl with that. But Dak gonna have to improve.
Oh, he like, I'm finna get my money off your motherfucker ass, cause I ain't been paying no nigga for shit. He ain't did shit.
No.
He got me fucked up.
He might give
I don't give a damn. I'm not giving your ass up. I gave you some money. You finna do what the hell you do, or y'all finna
No, if I
run.
was Jerry Jones, I just called.
Jerry Jones.
I called Dak in there. I say Dak.
You know he was back in the day now.
You know, I tell Dak this. I'm
Now
just
think
on
about
Dak.
Think about that. Hey, look.
Dak, if you gonna win me a Super Bowl and you gonna play with me, now, what you wanna do?
Think about that picture.
I just tell you.
Think about that picture.
Yeah, that man supposed to win a Super Bowl, man. Unless you come from a 7th-round pick all the way to the top to get a chance.
Think
Come
about
on,
that.
man. You wasn't.
Think about that picture they got of Jerry Jones.
He can shock the world.
You think he gonna give it them?
Jerry Jones win all the money.
Shit.
Jerry Jones always go against the odds, Jim. He think he got down in the rough.
Yeah, he put it on both. He ain't gonna lose. He gonna put 50, and put 50 on them, and put 50 on us, cause I'm still gonna make my money back.
Mm-hmm.
That's how you make your money.
That man play with money.
Shit.
I told you him and Spence, they got a rapport. You know what I'm saying? It's money,
He gotta keep that shit going. Then you know what's the name over the Mavericks, you know he in
Cuban.
Yeah. Get money.
Yeah, them jokers ain't playing.
Oh, I be like, whoa, man, look at these boys just chunking money at the young player. Like, oh, there you
the
go.
whole thing,
There
not
you
just
go.
the goddamn eyes. You got it. Look, yeah.
I said, damn, they doing it like that, man.
The way to do money.
But hell nah, man, Prescott, man, say,
One-
his ass need to play preseason too.
Who?
Well, who shit?
No, Prescott need to play good every time he get
Nah,
on the
we
field.
know put his ass on in preseason, see what he got. Cause you can't.
But I'm just saying, he got to play good.
Yeah, preseason.
Yeah, he got to
Don't
play
be trying to
good.
worry about them other boys, worry about them. Nah, your ass is in the bullpen too.
He got to play good.
Cause your ass, oh hell nah, boy, I'm telling you.
No, if he play
He gonna make me, boy,
if he play good, he might be all right.
Yeah, but he gotta last.
He got to step up, man.
He gotta last, cause if you don't last, that's your
It's
ass.
time for them folks to win, man.
Cause that's where you know what you're about. Cause his ass,
He
man,
was a 7th-round pick. This is 7th year.
You better come on with it. You're gonna be a last damn year. You're gonna be a last damn year. We're gonna kick his ass to the curb.
That's why Joe Burrow, all them quarterbacks like that ahead of him. Because they were #1 picks. Dak was a 7th-round pick, Mike.
He ain't shit.
See, and it's showing. It's showing. And Jerry Jones don't want it to show. But it's showing.
He kicking his ass.
The guess is Dallas had Cincinnati quarterback.
Oh shit.
So that's what I'm saying.
What if we had?
They ain't been in the league 2 years, 3 years.
What
Mike.
if, what if we had? What if the Cowboys had? What's his name?
Dak is behind.
Baltimore Ravens.
I'm just saying, Dak is like them dudes ain't been in the league 3 years. He already done been to a Super Bowl.
I know.
He didn't win, but he done went to the Super Bowl.
Yeah.
But he was a top pick. He was a
Man,
top
he gotta
pick.
come on
Dak
with it,
wasn't no
man.
top pick. That's why I say he got a good opportunity.
Top shit.
But now he ain't showed it. He been showing 7th round shit. That's
There
what I'm
you go.
saying, man.